Here we have another take on the Up House engagement ring box. This one is the Up House, just ready to take off there. You can see I've got the little fenced in yard as well as all of the balloons on top. Typically the balloons one has the little clouds underneath, but the client asked that this one actually still be just about ready to take off from the yard. So here we have the house and the yard, and then the ring is actually held in a little box that is underneath the house there. So it's a cardboard little place. The ring sits inside of a felt velour lined cushion that you can see there. The details on the house are actually pretty amazing. We got the hose, we got all the stairs, curtains in some of the windows, as well as all the shingles, plus all of these balloons are hand painted. So there we have another take on the Up House Custom Engagement Ring Box by Pape Designs.